potato fries homemade. Yes. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Yes. Perfect. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Adventurous Stick TV, and today we're going to prepare some snack and we're going to cook potato french fries. Of course, if you're going to use devices, more especially in cooking, so we will know first the function and uses. So for example, an air fryer. Okay, so I will show you the parts of an air fryer. So let us start now. So this is the power, and this is the sign that there is heat, and this is the timer, and this is the temperature control knob. So this is actual air fryer, and this is also the other parts of an air fryer. Okay, so this is the basket, this one, the basket. Then this is the protective cap. Okay, so the white one. And this is the basket handle, of course, the handle. And we have the basket release button. So if we're going to push this button, so it will remove from the tray, and that is the tray. Okay, the tray. So again, I'm going to put it back. Okay, so again, so that is the basket. We have the protective cup, we have the basket release button, and we have the tray. So since you know already the parts of an air fryer, so it's easy for us to cook, especially if you want to cook. Okay, fry without oil or anything and everything under the sun. Okay, that's all. That's all for today, and God bless you. Okay, so now we will start cooking potato fries. So I'm going to cut now the potato fry. Then I'm going to put in the air fryer. So just put exact amount inside the air fryer. Okay, then I'm going to put this inside the air fryer. Okay, and so I'm going to adjust first the temperature. So this is 200 degrees, and now I'm going to start the time, 20 minutes. Okay, so we will wait after 20 minutes. Okay? Last 1 minute, guys. And we will wait for the timer. Okay guys, the timer sounded, meaning to say it is cooked already. So let us see. So let us see. In 1 and 3 and 2 and 1. Yes, it cooked already. Perfect. So I'm going to transfer this in the plate or on plate. Okay guys, look, it looks delicious. So we need to try this. I'm going to taste. So if you want to add flavor, so I have the cheese whiz, okay, for better taste. And if you want ordinary taste, with ketchup. So this is ketchup. So I'm going to use this one to combine the flavor. So but I don't want flavor, so I need to put something here. And I don't like flavor, so I like only ketchup. So my son they want this one, so I don't want the smell. And I'm going to shake. I'm going to shake this one. Yes, like this, like this, like this. Okay. I don't like the smell. Okay. So what I'm waiting for? So I'm going to taste my potato fries homemade. Yes. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Yes. Perfect. 100%. It is crispy. Okay? Crispy. So I'm going to try one more. Yeah. Okay. So this is the second one. So let us see if it's perfect again. Okay? Oh. Yes! Perfect na naman ang ating potato fries. Okay. Thanks for watching. It's me again, Adventurous Stick TV. And I hope you will see me soon. Thank you for watching.